In the heart of Detroit, surrounded by icons like Comerica Park, Ford Field, and the DAC, stands another treasure, the historic Gem Theater. A landmark woven into the city's very fabric, the Gem holds a century of memories, and now it's protected by a brand new roof installed by MacDermott Roofing. This wasn't just any roofing job. The Gem's roof, weathered by years of Michigan seasons, demanded expertise and care. The Gem Theater needed a company it could trust. At MacDermott Roofing, we understand the trust is earned. That's why we use only top quality materials, built in Michigan to withstand Michigan's toughest weather. Our skilled team meticulously installed every detail, ensuring precision and lasting protection. No shortcuts, no compromises. The result? A roof that not only looks great, but safeguards the Gem's legacy for generations to come. It's a testament to our commitment to quality and our understanding of what it means to protect something truly special. From the grandeur of Orchestra Hall to the historic walls of the Charles H. Wright Museum, from the electric energy of the Filmore to the timeless elegance of the Gem, MacDermott Roofing protects Detroit's most treasured spaces. You can trust us to protect yours too. At MacDermott Roofing, we provide customer-tailored commercial roofing solutions backed by decades of experience and a dedication to excellence. Call today to schedule a consultation.